All right. So, welcome to a recap of the section on marketing and sales. At the heart of effective marketing and sales is a deep understanding of both your audience and your brand. Identifying your target demographic and aligning your services with their needs is crucial. Without this clarity, marketing efforts can lack focus, leading to underwhelming sales performance. So, the essence of this statement is that you need to find out what is needed and wanted within this particular environment. It can consist of surveys. Learn how to do a survey so that you can learn what people need and want in your present time environment. For instance, within my own, just because I had people in my media house and I also on my own, typed into AI, give me a survey that will help me to do marketing for my media house services. And I found out that digital marketing is actually like a highly sought out thing. I wasn't even offering it at first, but I'll tell you what, I got forced into offering it by finding out. And this is necessary. To succeed, it is essential to develop a comprehensive awareness of your audience, which involves analyzing their demographics, behaviors, needs, and desires. This knowledge is vital whether you're serving clients in the photography business or addressing a broader creative market. Recognizing market trends and consumer behaviors will enable you to position your brand effectively. It means gather data. So find out and continuously find out from your environment using full surveys, right? Not something just cast into the wind because you won't be able to see who's answering the question. Meaning, don't put a poll up on, some random site or something like this. You somehow need your own city or wherever it is that you're going to be selling to. If it is the world, then it's also just fine. You know what I mean? You can use an online forum or an online platform. But more than likely, you're not trying to sell to everyone on earth. You're trying to sell someone on earth, particularly when it's a higher value product or a higher priced product. So find out what people need, particularly. And then just provide it and you win, and that's all. But finding out is the part that people overlook. You assume that you know what people want. Could be peanut butter and jelly. You don't know. Go ask them. In addition to understanding your audience, establishing a strong and compelling brand identity is key. Your brand's voice, visual elements, and core values should resonate with your target market, setting you apart from competitors. What this means is be yourself. Yeah. The reason why I distill it down to being yourself is your brand identity should be something honest and something relatable. By being yourself, the idea is there's someone who likes you. That's your customer. Someone who likes the way that I speak, the rhythm with which, the accent with which, the appearance with which I talk. You see, the vocabulary with which, the language with which. This is a particular person, but it is also not the next person. Some people like, different languages, different things. You can't be everything for everyone, but you can be everything for someone. Yeah. Sometimes you can be something for someone, but both of these things make money. Everything and something. Yeah. You could sell something and you could sell everything. Both of them have a positive influence, a positive impact on your pocket. And that's the idea. Be yourself. It makes you distinct, right? Be yourself as a being, be yourself as a company, and develop this and show this. This becomes your brand, and you become irresistible to the right person. Strategic thinking is fundamental to successfully selling your services. This involves carefully positioning your brand and selecting the right tactics to engage your audience. Developing a robust marketing strategy requires thoughtful consideration of the channels you will use and the content you will create. If people use Facebook in your country, use Facebook. If people, like, you check where they respond. If people use YouTube, use YouTube. But you cannot be in America and using WhatsApp, because they don't use WhatsApp there, they use iMessage. So then it's also important to find out like where people are responding, where people are, platforms-wise, areas-wise. Visualizing your sales process as a funnel can also be beneficial. This metaphor helps you guide prospects from initial awareness to making a purchase. Your role is to navigate them through each stage, employing compelling content, personalized sales pitches, and targeted follow-ups. By understanding what motivates potential clients, you can lead them toward informed decisions. Here's the idea. Everything is a system, right? Particularly within a business, and you're trying to develop a routine. Should you figure out what works, put it into a routine, and repeat that thing? It's the same move 100 times that will kill your opponent, just like it is in a video game. You hit an oak tree in the exact same spot to bring it down. You don't hit it in 1,000 spots. Otherwise, you'll never bring it down. And that's the essence of this sentence. You could visualize your sales process, or you could not. And you could just have a simple concept of, all right, find someone that you feel like you could service. Talk to them about servicing. Or someone that you would, better yet, like to service. Talk to them about servicing. The genuineness will be sensed within your approach. If I genuinely like you, you'll be able to tell, as opposed to faking liking you. Don't fake it, because the authenticity is the delicious part of you. Interacting with you is great when it's authentic. Equally important is establishing a robust sales infrastructure. This may involve implementing customer relationship management software to track client interactions and payment systems for seamless transactions. I like to keep mine in a particular file system. You can develop your own fighting style, of course, but then keep the administration in, meaning keep things recorded. Yeah? Don't now lose a customer into the ether, or lose what it was that they were trying to get from you, right? Because of the next customer, or because their contact was lost, so on and so forth. Record these things, yeah? And make it so that someone else will be able to come and find data, whether or not it's a chat even on WhatsApp or on Signal, whatever app it is that you use for messaging, even Facebook. They must be able to pick up where you left off. The ultimate goal of your marketing and sales efforts is to create a profitable and recognizable brand. This recognition is reflected in positive market reception, customer loyalty, and sales generation. When executed effectively, your marketing strategies can drive sustainable business growth. Establishing your brand as respected within your industry is key, whether clients associate you with high-quality portraits, innovative videography, or other services. The measure of your success lies in the brand awareness and credibility you cultivate over time. So, do what you're doing. If you're like me, you'll be a photographer. Do it, right? And gather your database, and realize as well that it is a perception management game, anything. The richest tech company is Apple. They don't do much other than make phones and laptops, but I'll tell you what, the thing they manufacture best is perception. When you see Tom, Dick, or Harry with an iPhone 16 Pro Max, you can take this guy seriously in an instant. And that is perception. Yeah? So you need to understand that the world is built on perception. The richest companies are built on perception. And this is what you're managing. The difference between me and the regular street photographer, and why it is that we both start on the street but I ascend higher, is I know to look for the award shows and gather up stock. So I can charge more than this man or woman or child or non-binary, whatever. The idea is you need to know that it's perception management. It doesn't mean that that person's camera is not better than mine, because I'm not going to lie to you. A lot of people's cameras are better than mine, but the perception about them is not. In summary, marketing and sales require that profound understanding of your audience and brand, along with strategic planning and the right operational tools to promote your services effectively. The ultimate aim is to create a profitable perception that resonates with your audience and fosters tangible growth in your business. So realize that what you're aiming at is not profit, it's perception. With good perceptions about you, profit will sort of float into your vicinity. Think of it like chasing a butterfly. Chasing a butterfly. I'm going to use this analogy. If you try to reach for a butterfly, the thing will fly away. But if you make a beautiful garden, the butterfly will come to you, and you'll have many butterflies. So the idea is you're cultivating a garden, and you're not chasing a butterfly. Don't let profit run away with you, right? Because what will end up happening is immediate profit will swallow you, and long-term potential is lost because of immediate profit. There's a street photographer today who's taking photos at $1 per photo, right? I'm taking photos $2. I'm gonna jump it up to $5 at some point. I'm gonna get a little printer, print out some Polaroids, so on and so forth. Get my stand out here. Put it up like I got a good banner. 2-time WITS University nominee, whatever this is. And this is the difference. What makes me able to charge more is the perceptions about me. Even though I almost guarantee you, the street photographer has a better camera. My camera is almost as old as me, believe it or not. It's like a 25-year-old thing. I'm 27, by the way, turning 28 in 3 months. But the essence of what I'm saying to you is here, that what you're doing is chasing, managing, cultivating, building perceptions about you. And that is the essence of the game, the most important part of the game, dare I say, the entire game. So do that, and you'll make a lot of money.